Today, I'm sharing my top 5 free video editors that'll help you create amazing content without spending a dime. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, these editors will get the job done. Let's jump right in. First up is InVideo AI, a versatile tool that's perfect for content creators on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. It's completely web-based, so you can access it from any browser without the need for downloads. With a vast library of templates, stock footage, music, and effects, it's a one-stop shop for all your editing needs. Its AI-powered tools make it unique, allowing you to generate scripts, automate editing, and turn text into engaging videos with just a few clicks. It's the perfect tool for creators who want to take their content to the next level. Next, let's talk about OpenShot. If you're looking for a user-friendly tool that doesn't compromise on features, OpenShot is the perfect choice. It's open source and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can easily add unlimited video and audio tracks, use built-in title templates, and apply cool effects. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you can start editing right away without feeling overwhelmed. It's a great tool for beginners and seasoned editors alike. Now, let's explore Shotcut, an open source gem that's free for all major platforms. While it may seem simple, it's a powerhouse packed with features, including a wide variety of filters and transitions and support for virtually any video format. It's not just for beginners, but also for those who want to create more advanced projects without paying for expensive software. Plus, no watermarks, and it's community supported. Now, for those who want to step up their editing game, HitFilm Express is a fantastic option. It's beginner friendly, but still gives you plenty of creative power. Available for both Windows and Mac, it offers impressive special effects, transitions, and green screen editing, making it perfect for experimenting with backgrounds and visual effects. The user interface is straightforward, and if you want even more advanced features, you can upgrade to the paid version later. Finally, we have DaVinci Resolve, a free editor that's serious about color grading and professional level editing. It's a powerhouse that works on all major platforms, Windows, Mac, and Linux. It offers incredible color correction tools, advanced audio editing, and a wide range of special effects. While the interface may take some getting used to, once you learn it, it's a game changer for creating high-quality videos. It's not just for beginners, but also for serious video editors. So those are my top 5 free video editors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these editors will help you bring your creative vision to life. Let me know which one you're going to try out in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!